MODULAR RHYTHMS is the brand new heavy-hitting synth drum pack for GarageBand on iOS. Packed full of abstract, genre-bending rhythms and glitchy loops, this pack has everything you need to add some diverse rhythms to your projects. What's included, how does it sound, and is this new sound pack worth your time? Included in the MODULAR RHYTHMS sound pack are 12 new drum kits and more than 200 Apple loops. Not a huge amount on offer there, but with Apple's recent focus on quality over quantity when it's come to sound pack releases, that might not be such a bad thing. The 140 loops on offer here sound really great on their own. But really shine when you incorporate them into a full project. You can get some proper bangers on the go really easily. The 12 included drum kits range from some pretty standard sounding kits to some more interesting ones. As ever, pairing up new kits with the beat sequencer is a great way to really get a feel for them, especially when you're as crap at finger drumming as I am. The patterns supplied with these new kits do the job really well, and it's great to see that some fully fleshed out and interesting patterns have been supplied as well. Chances are you'll already know if the new drum kits and loops supplied in this pack are up your street. If you're into creating modern, glitched out trap or EDM, then there's a lot here to like. Those of you who are anxiously awaiting the release of a heavy metal or country and western sound pack, you can probably skip this one. Alright, let me know your opinion on this brand new sound pack down in the comments. And watch this playlist next for my opinion on the most recent sound pack releases.